Duh. Okay, so round two. Well, actually, this is like round three with the shot. Well, actually, this is like round three with the shot. I love the beach so. No, I don't even got no food. We gotta go in that. We gotta go in the house. We gotta go up in there. I love the beach so. No, I don't even got no food. We gotta go in that. We gotta go in the house. We gotta go up in there. I love the in the house. We don't go up in there and eat. Not doing this.
Hello, my beautiful people. I know y'all is rolling with this mess because I've been laughing the entire time I had to edit this video. As y'all know, I slowed it down and I sped it up. I just thought it just made it a little bit funnier, to go back and forth with it. I tell y'all, this chick está tremenda. Let me say this. You done sat there and had about 3 shots and 3 margaritas so far. And you keep telling people to pull the fuck up, and then birds pulled up on your ass. And you're going, ah! Oh my God, that was priceless. Muchísimas gracias por hacerme reír. Thank you so much for making me laugh, girl. You really did that shit. The fucking birds were attacking your ass. That is a sign from God that is telling you, stop. But you don't want to listen to any of the signs that are being given to you. You refuse to listen. Now you had to go inside the freaking restaurant y comerte la comida en paz. Eat your food in peace, because if not, you was going to be in there kung fighting with the freaking, not pelicans, whatever the heck they are, seagulls. All right, y'all. I can't even do this. I'm cracking up here. Anyway, my beautiful people, please like, share, and subscribe. And we will surely see each other again on the next one for sure. Ciao, adios. Gracias, irrevelante.